Hello children, I hope you have started learning all the subjects. Now today we will learn a story Unity is Strength from बालभारती book. Unity is Strength म्हणजेच एकीचे बळ. Unity म्हणजे एकी आणि Strength म्हणजे बळ. So let us see what is the story about. Children, this is a story of a farmer who lived with his 4 sons. The 4 sons always fought with each other. The farmer was worried about them. One day, he called them and gave them a bundle of sticks and asked them to break it. None of them could break it. Then he gave them a single stick and again asked them to break it. All of them could break it easily. The farmer then explained them that they could not break the bundle of sticks because the sticks were together. Similarly, if all of you are together united and help each other, you will be stronger. But if you fight, then you will be weak like the single stick. The sons then stopped fighting with each other and started helping one another. So this is the story in short. Now let us read the story from the textbook. 2.4 Story Time Unity is Strength. Listen, repeat and enact. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting. But his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day, he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. "It's so easy," said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they could not succeed. We will stop here and we'll read the next part tomorrow. Now let us see some words from this part. WORRIED, worried. This is the past tense of worry, म्हणजे चिंता. QUARRELLING, quarreling, म्हणजे भांडण. AGREE, agree, of the same opinion. TRIED, tried. This is the past tense of try, means to attempt. AVOID, avoid, means to keep away from. BUNDLE, bundle, a group of objects held together by wrapping or tying. म्हणजे स्टोरीमध्ये जशी काठीची एकत्र मोळी बांधली होती. ELDEST, eldest, म्हणजे मोठा. SURPRISED, surprised, showing an emotion due to an unexpected event. REMAINED, remained, म्हणजे तसेच राहणे. SUCCEED, succeed, to accomplish what is attempted or intended, म्हणजे यश मिळणे. Learn these words and read the part of the story taken today. We will continue this story in the next video. So till then, bye bye and take care.